In this video, I will be showing you how to design gym price list in Canva. Let's get started. First, I head to the search bar and type in gym price list to find a template that matches my style. I'll scroll through the available options to see which layout works best for the information I want to include. This black and white minimalist template looks like a great starting point, so I'll click on it and then select Customize this template to open up the editor. Once the project loads, I can see the full layout on my screen. I'll start by clicking into the text at the top and typing fitness above the main heading to refine the branding. Now, I want to add a more engaging background image. I'll go over to the search bar on the left, type in gym, and filter the results for vertical photos. I'll scroll through the high-quality images until I find one that fits the vibe of the price list. This photo of the gym equipment looks perfect, so I'll drag it onto the page. I'll right-click the image to adjust its position and set it as the background. To make sure the text is still easy to read, I'll select the background image and lower the transparency. I also have a black background element here that I'll adjust as well, sliding the transparency down in the layer to the back so it sits behind my text and pricing packages. Next, I want to update the typography to give it a more modern feel. I'll click on the pricing list text and open the font menu. I'll browse through several bold athletic fonts like Sportsworld and Nord to see what looks best. After trying out a few options, I'll settle on Bebas Nui. I'll then open the spacing settings to adjust the letter spacing and line spacing, giving the text a more professional and clean appearance. Finally, I'll do some quick repositioning of the different text blocks to ensure the entire design is perfectly balanced and easy for customers to follow. And that's how you can quickly create a professional gym price list that's ready for your clients. Thanks for watching.